Welcome to a beachfront Hawaiian condo. Very, very nice view, guys. We are in the 17th floor. So nice. So nice view. Wow, so nice view, guys, in the beach. Front. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng paligid. Grabe ka, laki ang space niya. Grabe. Tapos yung view doon. Wow. So nice view. So nice. Grabe, ang ganda ng view sa pagpas. Oh. Grabe. Tapos, dyan nakaupo sino yan? Sino yan? Oh, ba, ang ganda. Di ba? Ang ganda. Oops. 3 balkoni. Ang gabi, ang lawak. Ouch. Guys, if you are planning to travel in Thailand, Hawaiian is the best. Please, beautiful, and the people are so friendly. In the condo, so many condo, nice condo. And the place, this condo, they have 3 balconies, and look at that, 3 balconies, and they have also here we got the room. Wow, so nice room, very nice room. You see, look at the room, and we have also jacuzzi, yung malapit sa bedroom. May toilet din. Wow. May toilet din. Oops, so nice. Wow. Very wow. So wow.